What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random, and in today's world, what exactly does $500 get you? Meet Exhibit A. You guys are looking at a 1994 Dodge Dakota V6 5-speed manual, and believe it or not, Michael here actually bought this truck for the price of a PS5. So before I show you guys what exactly does a video game console priced truck get you, now's the perfect time to go ahead and check out Michael's YouTube channel. And that channel is Hillderth Garage, where you won't only find the entire build series of this $500 Dakota, but Mike will also be turning this here Chevy Blazer into a full-blown drag car. He'll also be bringing this little pit bike to life, as well as this dirt bike, and we're going to be jumping them over a bridge supposedly filled with alligators on the bottom. Hillderth Garage, guys, where you will find the full build for this Dakota. Like I said, we got drag racing Chevy Blazers. We're going to be working on Crown Victorias. Michael's going to be fixing bikes. And what else are we going to be doing, Mike?
I'll probably tipping some cows in the middle of the night. You know?
Tipping cows at Hillderth Garage. So, like I was saying earlier, guys, this is what $500 gets you. Now, even though it might be a little rough around the edges, once you get past the rusty hood and roof and bald tires, the rest of this truck is actually in pretty damn good shape. Got to go ahead and open. I got to get in through the other side.
You can reach in, open the door handle.
Let's try this again. The interior is actually in pretty damn good shape. As you guys can see, all the door panels are still intact, and hell, even the cloth seats are actually in pretty good shape. And like I said earlier in the video, this truck actually does come with a 5-speed manual transmission that, believe it or not, still shifts smoother than a fresh Brazilian wax, with no grinding gears or pops. However, the same can't be said for what's under the hood. And you guys are looking at one of Dodge's most reliable, dependable V6 engines, and that is the good old 3.9 liter. But after 26 years and a surprisingly low amount of miles, for 98,000 miles, this old truck is sure as hell used a little work. And herein lies the catch-22 of owning a $500 vehicle. Being that this truck is drivable in its current state, you could technically drive it till the wheels fall off. Oh yeah, something's definitely fell off back there, man.
Oh no, we'll be alright.
Or if you know your way around heavy set things like Michael over here, you can make this old bitch roadworthy once again. And that's where Mike is going to come in. Mike, can you tell us exactly what is wrong with this truck and exactly how much it's going to cost you to fix it all?
Well, the first problem is it's a Dodge. The second problem is it's a piece of junk. That's what happens when you buy a $500 truck. But it needs a timing chain, boys. It needs a timing chain. But timing chain kit's only $100. So we're going to do it. We're going to put a radiator, timing chain, thermostat, hoses, all that fun junk. And see if we can get this thing running a little better, put some tires on them, and just beat the heck out of it, because why not?
So you spend $500 pretty much on this truck, and how much do you think all that stuff is going to cost you roughly?
$250, $300 for all of it.
And there you guys have it. Instead of wasting those hard-earned $500 on a PS5 or new Xbox this year, buy yourself an old farm truck, fix it up, flip it, then you can just grab yourself another one and still get that new PS5. Well, unless you have a sugar mama that's paying all your bills. In that case, hook your boy up and buy some Crown Vic t-shirts, so she can have something sexy to greet you with next time you're low on cash. Oh shit, motherfucker's rolling.
Oh, you don't need brakes, man.